Next is the embryogenesis. As the name indicate, embryogenesis. Genesis means formation. So you can say the formation or the development of embryo from the zygote is known as embryogenesis, and it includes two stages, that is cell division and cell differentiation. Cell division means increase in the cell number. We know that zygote is a single cell structure. This is single cell. Zygote will repeatedly undergo mitotic division and will form number of the cells. Zygote is single cell, it will form two cell. 2 then form 4, 4 towards 8, 8 to 16, 16 to 34, 34, 64, 100, millions of the cell will get formed. So increase in the cell number is known as cell division. Cell differentiation is when these cell will get the signal that now you will have to attain a particular form or the structure. This is called as cell differentiation. Means cell differentiation leads to the formation of organ or the tissue. Suppose these three cell will get a signal कि भाई आपको perform करना है brain का function. So they will be converted into brain cells. These three cell will get a signal कि भाई आपको function perform करना है liver का. So they will be liver cell. These three cell will get the signal. Now you have to perform the structure and the function of the epithelial tissue. So this will be epithelial tissue, this will be liver, this will be brain. So this is cell differentiation. Cell division is the increase in the number of the cell, and cell differentiation leads to the formation of organ or the tissue. Fine. So this was about embryogenesis. Now depending upon that whether the development of the zygote is taking place inside the body of the female or outside the body of female, organisms are classified into two types, that is oviparous and viviparous. In oviparous organisms, the development of zygote takes place outside the body of the female. In viviparous, the zygote development will takes place inside the mother. Oviparous are those organisms which lay fertilized egg. ओवी आया है egg से, ova means which lay fertilized egg. I am talking about the development of the zygote, that it takes place outside the body, not about the fertilization. Fine, the development of the zygote takes place outside the body in case of oviparous organism. Fertilization is internal, and after that female will lay the fertilized egg to outside or in the safe place. Fine, and then these eggs will develop a protective covering or a shell around themselves which is made up of calcium. That is why called as calcareous shell, which is protective in action. But in viviparous, the fertilized egg, or you can say the zygote, remains inside the body of the mother and will get the nourishment from the mother. Fine. Oviparous includes like birds or reptiles which lay eggs, and viviparous includes mammals like you can say human beings. Fine. So इन दोनों में से जो चांसेस ऑफ सर्वाइवल हैं ऑस्प्रिंग्स के वो ज़्यादा होंगे किसमें, विविपेरस में. क्यों? क्योंकि यहाँ पर बेबी की जो डेवलपमेंट होगी वो मदर के वूम्ब में होगी, तो कोई प्रेडेटर उसे डैमेज नहीं कर पाएगा. लेकिन ओविपेरस में जो ऑफस्प्रिंग है उसकी डेवलपमेंट मदर की बॉडी के बाहर हो रही है, तो कोई भी प्रेडेटर उन एग्स को डैमेज कर सकता है. ठीक है. इन दोनों की तरह एक और टर्म है दैट इज ओवोविविपेरस. Ovoviviparous are similar to viviparous, means they also give birth to young ones, they are not egg laying. The difference is that in case of viviparous, the zygote will be connected with the mother with the help of a placenta and will get the nourishment from the mother. But here no placenta is present, then how the zygote will take nourishment? Zygote will take the nourishment from the yolk sac. Yolk sac is a membranous sac structure containing abundant amount of the yolk. So the zygote will get the nourishment from this yolk and will get mature. This yolk sac is also present in mammals, but the difference is it is developed only and only during the early development when प्रेजेंटा इज नॉट डेवलप. जब तक प्रेजेंटा डेवलप नहीं होगी तब तक अर्ली जो डेवलपमेंट होगी उसमें यॉक सैक डेवलप होगा ह्यूमन बींग्स में भी. बट यहाँ पे सिर्फ यही एक सोर्स है यॉक सैक ही एम्ब्रियो के या जाइगोट के नरिशमेंट के लिए. एग्जाम्पल है इसका शार्क. सो दिस वॉज अबाउट द embryogenesis and the development of the zygote, oviparous and the viviparous organisms.